Hi, it's John Mayfield for Global Real Estate School with another quick 5-minute real estate exam tip. And yes, I'm traveling today, but I said I was going to do a video each and every day through the month of August. I actually started August 6th, but I'm in Mexico City. I'm speaking tomorrow, I'm doing a technology presentation here in Mexico City for about 500 real estate professionals. So I'm excited about that. But I want to remind you for Global Real Estate School, for those of you going through the real estate exam, remember a straight note is interest only. Don't forget that. You'll see some questions on the exam. They will try to make you want to figure out, well, what would be the loan balance after 3 years and a certain interest payment. But if it's a straight note and that's in the mortgage and they want to know, or that's in the question, and they want to know what's the loan balance at the end of 3 years, it's the original amount because a straight note is interest only. So don't forget that. I know it's a quick video, 5-minute real estate exam prep tip that's probably only about a minute and 20 seconds, but it's late here and I've got a big presentation tomorrow. But don't forget, straight note interest only. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and yes, go over to globalrealestateschool.com. We've got some great resources there for you. So when you read a question and you pick up the verbiage or wording straight note, that loan balance will not go down any. It will be the same loan balance that you originally took out. Why? It's interest only. Straight note, interest only. Have a great evening, everybody. Thanks for watching.